Hello all. So this right here, this was supposed to have been my French vanilla bean and lavender body butter, my tallow body butter. But I'm not too sure what I did wrong in this recipe. This was a new recipe for me. This is my first time dealing with tallow, so I'm not too sure what I did wrong. I went by the instructions. I let the tallow infuse on low setting in my crock pot for 12 to 14 hours with the vanilla bean and the lavender bud. Once it got done, I strained it with a cheesecloth. I put it in a bowl and I let it sit on my countertop. Now the issue could have been that I did let it sit for 2 weeks before I went back to finish this butter. Only because, life was lifing. I had markets coming up. Had 2 markets. Then 2 interviews. House, being a wife, a mother. And then at the end of the school year, graduation. So it was just lifing. So I have 2 other markets coming up in the next couple of months. So I said, well, let me go ahead and get these recipes together and get this stuff made. So once again, I won't be struggling at the last few weeks or whatever, trying to get everything together for the markets. Let me go ahead and get it together now. So, okay, let me finish this body butter. Well, this is what I came out with. So, again, I'm not too sure what I did. I'm assuming it's because I let it sit for 2 weeks. But this is what I wanted to say. Again, this was a new recipe for me. This is my first time working with tallow. So, if you guys have a new recipe, a new formula, before you decide to do a big batch, I always do a test batch. I'm not too sure what I was thinking. Usually when I get anything new, I do like a little 8-ounce or 4-ounce jar. I do like a little batch. I put it in my calculator where I can calculate the size that I need for that just one batch. And that's how, but I didn't do it this time, maybe because I was rushing, I'm not sure. But either way, if you get a new recipe, new formula, always do a test batch, or you're going to have something that looks just like this, and you're not too sure what it is or what you did wrong. So the only thing I can do with this is just throw it away and start over. That's a waste of money and a waste of products that I don't have. Now I feel upset because I just wasted ingredients that I could have used in another recipe and made something great. Either way, whatever, sometimes you get it, sometimes you don't. It is what it is. I just have to start over. Peace out. You guys have a good day. Love y'all.